Hello, Hello, friends. Good evening. So, in today's video, we'll discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis based on GAN and Astro analysis. Uh, Today, Nifty has formed or had the lowest volume in more than a year. You know, so this is Nifty futures. This is Nifty's futures chart. Today's volume is just this small dot. You know, this is the lowest volume I think in next last 2 to 3 years, and this is not a you know. Any short trading sessions or a mock trading session. This is a real trading session, and even after that moderate trading also we don't see this kind of low volumes. So this is what we have done today, and generally whenever low volumes are happening, or it has happened in the past on a day when GAN important Astro and GAN events are also happening, it generally tends to lead some big moves in the market. So let's be prepared for that. So this is the first thing where we are seeing the lowest volume in Nifty futures in past many at least for past 1.5 years. I tried searching such low volume day, I didn't get it, but so this is something which we have to keep in mind. This is one of the day, but this was still a higher volume. So this is one thing. Now coming to the astro analysis, first thing is today's Sun Ingress. Sun Ingress means Sun will move in Virgo on 23rd, which is tomorrow. And tomorrow, Mercury retrograde Mercury will also change its, its house. So basically, two planets are going ingress together. Now, this is a very big day. So, like I mentioned in many of my past videos, whenever double ingress was used by GAN a lot, and if you can see here, whenever sun ingress also happens, we generally see some topping or bottoming out formation. If you see 2021, around these many dates between 20 to 21, there are a lot of trend changes which has happened in Nifty in the past. So this is one thing. Next thing is there are certain important aspects which are forming. So let me quickly show you those aspects also. So first is Venus square Jupiter. So I go to aspects. Venus. Venus is a planet of luxury, and it is squaring, making a 90-degree aspect with Jupiter, with banking. So luxury meets banking. So it generally covers most of the sectors on stock market. So let's see what this has in scope. So this has happened today. Last time it happened here. You can see here again a low volume day, and the next day market opened gap up and moved up. Right? You can see here, and from there a good rally happened. Before that, it happened here. It was a big day, but it was almost a kind of top. And after that, the market just went down. Again, a low volume day. So generally, whenever this happens, you generally tend to see a low volume day. Next day, generally gap up or gap down, and market goes in that direction. And next important thing is Moon and Jupiter are also forming an aspect, 180-degree aspect. So Moon tomorrow, our Chandrayaan will also, land, and hopefully this time we'll not have any setbacks. So let's see what this aspect has in place. Yep. So this is Moon with Jupiter. It generally leads to some trending moves, as you can see here. A trending move generally happens. So these many aspects with the GAN dates are happening. So we can see some really nice moves in the market. Which side the move can happen? So let's quickly go and check our this thing. So Nifty has formed an NR21 pattern, means the range is lowest in last 21 days. So the plan will be you can go long about 19,444 for a move towards 474, 505, 536 and 567 with a stop loss of 19,381. And on short side you can go short below 381 with these targets, and the stop loss is this one, 19,443. And similarly, if I go for Bank Nifty, before that, let's go and see moving average, 50-day moving average supporting. If this is breached, like if it starts going below 19,290, then we can see a very quick decline, at least till 18,888. And Bank Nifty is also has bounced from its 100-day moving average. Today, nothing major happened in Bank Nifty again, and it has formed an NR21 pattern. The levels are clearly mentioned here. If I look at GAN angles, I mean, it's middle of this Gann angle, so till it doesn't cross this 1 cross 1 line, there's a high probability it will touch this line. The value of this is around 19051. You can see here this value, it will be minimum 1905, 19201 is what we are looking, sorry, 19201 is the value. And if I look at Bank Nifty also, the value for 3 cross 4 is around 43 500 odd levels. So these are the levels. Till this 1 cross 1 line is crossed, there is a high probability the market will come down and touch these levels. So yeah, and one more thing is we have just developed a new program. So these are the stocks which you can keep an eye. These are future stocks. You can pause this video and keep an eye on this. For this is for 22nd. So these stocks will be applicable for 23rd. See, most of these stocks might see some really nice moves. So keep an eye on these stocks for tomorrow. So yeah, that's about it. So we have discussed NR21 pattern with these important aspects. Double ingress also coming up. So let's hope we can see some really nice moves in the market. So yeah, that's about it. Very short and sweet videos with levels clearly mentioned. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much.